Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the general list, of course, we have to scroll and find the security. Now let's tap on Fingerprint Manager, and first of all we'll have to set a screen lock. If you've got one, you will be simply transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now, so just choose the option you like the most and let me set the pattern. Tap on Next and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of notifications we want to show. It's up to you totally. Just mark the option and tap on Done. And there we've got the fingerprint section where you've got the information about it, so of course you can read it, and then tap on I agree. So here right now we can add our fingerprint, so all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the right side of our device on the power button. So let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it basically multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, and I can see it will not be that easy. Okay. Just try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, we've got it. So let's tap on Done. This is the Fingerprint Manager, so that's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. Alright, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and fortunately the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.